Hey Skye, what's this on your face? Take it off. Come, look at mommy. Look here, baby. You okay? So, so anyways, tell a little vlog where you're going today. Where are you going today? Where are you packing your bags to go today? Anyways, hey guys. So today we're going to visit Royalton Grand Lido. That is just right beside where we're staying in Negril. So we're gonna have we have a day pass. So we're going there for the day to check it out, see what's going on over there. You know, we've been here since it started, when the building started and all. So I'm interested to see what's there. You know, so she hates getting ready and not leave right away.
Over the mountain.
She's just like me. But what do I have on my lips? I have Riri Woo on and a mixture of Fenty Beauty lip gloss. But anyways, see you guys when I get over to Grand Lido. So yep, welcome to Royalton Grand Negril. Actually not bad, but I must say it's so hot. Oh Lord, it's so hot. This is the view. I apologize. This is the view. This isn't so bad. Good question. It's like I thought that there was a passage. Oh my god. They're having pool activities. Skye, are you enjoying it? You like it so far? You like it so far? Sure, all my little tits are gonna be out the door. But yeah. Look at her eyebrows. She's like knitted. Ah. Okay, taking a trot on the other side. Skye, you're so hard to hold, man. You just want to go on the floor. Huh? Why you want to go on the floor? It's hot. You will burn. So we're going to the main pool. I need a drink. Lord. Ooh. Skye, you want to go there? That's where you want to go? To get wet? It's nice in the kiddies area. Kiddies pool. Kids are having a good time. Okay, so because of my wardrobe malfunction, I had to go to the gift shop and buy myself a bikini. So I just close my eyes and pay $55 for this bikini, but I like it a lot. It's a One Love Bob Marley bikini. The munchkin is sleeping, but I had her in the water for like 5 minutes, and then I just fed her and now she's sleeping. I feel like I would take a nap myself. I swear, but it's so relaxing here. Oh my god, so relaxing. Just sitting by the kiddies pool and just enjoying the atmosphere. Just, yeah, I know. But yeah. Looks as if we're gonna get some rain. I hope not. Who's awake? Yay! We can start the adventure again. Her face when she's awake though. She said, "Mommy, why did you wake me up?" But I didn't. I just took you out the sun. That's all. So you can cool off, and then we can start our adventure again. Okay? You wanna go back into the pool after a few? Well, over there is the main beach. Let me see if I can zoom in. That's the main beach over there. So where's the nude area? Over the other side, huh? The whole place shell down. Hey! The whole place shell down. The whole place shell down. Very mad. That's where all this soca music playing and all this alcohol. I should be at the pool bar. Let me get a video of the main pool.
Walking out. Going out.
This is the adult pool.
Here we go. Hands in the water. Right there. Put the elbow straight in the elbow. Pull it. Pull it.
What? Skye, mommy should be in the water. So if you should get a ground room, this is what it will look like, because you would have the pool right at your doorstep, which I think is pretty cool. Like, this is pretty cool. This I would enjoy. What is she doing? Oh my god, so it's checkout time. Oh lord, I would like to show myself, but Skye's asleep. Ugh. This is what I'm going through. I can hardly breathe. Oh my god, I wish someone could just pick us up.